Definitely got. It's a 1970. It's got the 4-speed too. Definitely collector's
item. Those seats look way better than yours. Those are not original seats.
Those probably are the original seats that came with them.
Some food smells so good.
Yeah, inside there. I love that. Now look at this. Cobra. This is the original Cobra, man.
What's a Cobra?
Cobra. Shelby Cobra Shelby. Like Mustang Shelby. It's not a Mustang. This is a Cobra. Shelby Cobra. This is like real deal.
What's that really in the back for?
It's for a roll bar in case it flips over. This is a real deal drag car, like a race car. It's not a drag car. It's a race car, really. But yeah, it's an AC Cobra. Oh, it looks like it's got a Switzer kit on it too. I wonder what it's pushing. I didn't realize it had upgrades to it.
Hey.
What?
Hey, what is that?
This? The Challenger.
No, what is the things on the end right here?
The latches?
Yeah.
That's the latches that keeps the hood closed. It's
like the old school. That fast?
that's the style that they had back in the day. It makes it look like it does that. Scat Pack. RT Scat Pack. That's what I'm talking about. Scat Pack. No. They got those green lights put in.
Oh, the one that the black guy.
Yeah. That's nice. His is, yeah, this definitely looks like it's actually, yeah,
It has to be like a 2017.
It's anywhere from 2015 and up. But it looks like a 2017, just because it looks just so nice. Wow. Because I already know you. It's so different. Yeah, this is a Stingray. Real deal Stingray. Stingray in yellow. This is my first time seeing the Z06 back in yellow, actually up close, and it's actually pretty nice. It's actually pretty nice. I'm over here just hovering around the Corvette area like that. That's what happens. It's really nice. Oh, got carbon ceramics. Look much better in yellow. It looks more race-like in yellow. But the blue just looks, the blue just melts my heart every time I see it. That's why I love the blue.
I think they should make a lighter blue.
They do, well, I feel like they do. I don't know if they got this one a little darker, I'm not sure, but this one is really, really nice. True Cruiser. Man, that's beautiful. I wonder if it's like a 57, 56. Gosh. There's a sticker that says, yes, it's fast. I never doubted it, buddy. Never doubted that. Watch out, babe. Oh, another SS. I love that. Hey.
Is that missing something, or is that how?
No, that's how it is. Hot rod. Yeah. Hot rod. I have the C3. This is a C1 generation, the very first generation of Corvettes.
Oh, I like it.
It's a 50. Well, it's a 62 actually. Watch out, babe. Man, it's nice. Oh, that sounds good. Camaro SS.